And myself Anil Dobriyal. Student, today we are studying a very good chapter, chapter number 13. Chapter number 13, the chapter is surface area and volume. Surface areas and volumes. Different solids figure we have, all of you, and we have to find its surface area and volumes. First of all, we will discuss formula today. So first figure we have here is cuboid. All of you, we have cuboid. So cuboid, you all seen in your general life, how to draw a cuboid. You have to draw two rectangle like this, and you have to join its endpoints. This is a cuboid, all of you. This is a cuboid, and you can write its name. This is A, B, C, D, and this is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. This is called its as. This is as, not side. This is as. This is face of this cuboid. This is face of this cuboid. Now these are the vertex. There are how many vertex? You can see 8 vertex are there. Vertex. Now this is its base. Its base is a rectangle. So if you want to find its area of base, so it will be L into B. This is length L, this is height H, and this is breadth B. So if you want to find area of base, so it is L into B, all of you. This is its formula of base. Now we want to find its TSA, total surface area. Total surface area. So how it will come? It will come like 2L LB plus BH plus HL. LB plus 2L plus B, L into B plus B into H plus H into L. This is the formula. A total surface area means area of all the faces. Area of all the faces. 6 faces are there. You have to find its TSA. You can say it is as TSA also. So formula of TSA is this. Now if you want to find its LSA, so these two face will not come in its LSA. So LSA, or you can write area of 4 wall. Area of 4 walls. 2 walls are not here in this, so it will be 2L plus B into H. This is the formula of LSA or CSA. This is also called CSA, curved surface area. Curved surface area. Lateral surface or curved surface. Curved surface area. This is the full form of CSA, all of you. Now we have done its CSA also. Now its volume. How you have to find volume? Volume formula is L into B into H. Student, you have to understand always that whenever we are finding its volume will always come like area of base into height. So its base is a rectangle, so its area will be LEB into H. This is the formula of its volume. Now its diagonal you can also find in a room. The longest rod you can put is its diagonal, like this, from D to B dash. This is a diagonal longest rod. It may have L square plus B square plus H square. This is the formula. So these are the formula of cuboid. Now we are discussing next figure, that is cube. All of you, what is a cube? Cube is a figure like this. Cube is a figure like this. So what is cube? For this you have to draw a square. For drawing a cuboid you have to draw a rectangle, but for a cube you have to draw a square. So it is like this. It will come. Yeah, this is coming, and this is also coming. Yeah, A, B, C, D, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. All of you, this is the reason. Now this is all of you, this is length, this is height, this is breadth. All these are as, all other things are equal. These are face, this is face. Now its area is a square. So if you are you have asked area of base, so it will be area of base, area of base, it will be L into B, it will be L into B. Now since it's L is equal to B is equal to H, all are same, we are letting it as A, we are letting it A, so area of base will be A square. Now we are finding is TSA first, total surface area, so it will be total surface area will be 6A square. You will use that same formula to LB plus B, so 6A square will come, all of you. And if you are finding is CSA, so it is coming 4A square, 4A square is coming in this case. If you finding is volume is generally denoted by V, you can write it as V, it is coming A cube, because we are multiplying L into B into S, so it is A into A cube will come. And it's diagonal you want to find diagonal, so diagonal will come like how it will come, do you understand? It will come like because this is A cube into A cube, sorry, A square plus A square plus A square, so 3A square, so A root 3 will come, A root 3 will come, all of you. This it's diagonal D, this is diagonal D. So this is our cube. Now we have cylinder. Next, this is the cylinder. How you have to draw cylinder? So figure of cylinder you knows very well. All okay. A tank, a can. You are whenever you are figure like this, observing that this is the height of this figure. This is the radius. Now all of you can observe its area is a circle, so area of base will be pi r square, because its area is a circle. Now volume you want to find volume, so it will come always like area of base, it is pi r square into height, pi r square h. Now it's LSA we have to find, lateral surface area, LSA or CSA. Now you know what is the meaning of these two, so it is 2 pi r h, 2 pi r. In this case these two are deleted from there. Now TSA we are finding, TSA will be 2 pi r h में आप जोड़ देंगे pi r square plus pi r square, so 2 pi r square you will write, so 2 pi r square, so 2 pi r is coming common in this, so h plus r. These are the formula, all of you, these are the formula of cylinder. Now we are discussing one more figure, cone. What is cone? Cone is like this, all of you, like cone is like this. This is the cone. These are the cone. Okay, this will draw like this. This is the radius, this is 90 degree, this is L, this is H, this is called slant height, this is called height, and this is radius, slant height, and this is height, this perpendicular height, this is radius, all of you. Now its base is also circle, so area of base will be pi r square. Now its volume is 1/3 pi r square h. Don't think much about its formula, you have to learn it. Don't think how it is coming. I'm explaining, but if you are not understanding, so you learn formula, it will work. Now all of you, it's LSA or CSA, it will come like pi RL, and its CSA will be pi RL plus pi r square. Area of base I am adding, all of you, in so it will be pi r L plus r, pi r L plus r will come. All of you, now you can understand here that we can use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. I am writing its name AOPQ. So AOQ, you can write, how we will find L square is equal to L square plus H square. So if you have two values, you can find other also, like H square is equal to L square minus r square, and r square is equal to l square minus h square. So these are the formula. Learn it, revise it. Thank you very much.